Welcome to the EasiNote video tutorial. This video will provide an overview of EasiNote and its components. To begin, look at the screen and notice the availability of options. On the left, you have a sidebar toolbar. Underneath that, followed by a menu toolbar. In the bottom center, an annotation toolbar. And on the right, a page sorter to help you sort and organize your notes. Just to tell you a couple of things that you can do looking at this particular program, it is very similar in layout and functionality to that of Smart Notebook. You will not, however, be able to bring Smart Notebook files to EasiNote and expect the same functionality. So please keep this in mind. What you will be able to do using EasiNote is interact with a whiteboard surface, as well as go between your desktop and bring in images, screenshots, and other elements of your lessons to work together and create an interactive lesson for your students. The following videos are going to address each of these toolbar options and let you know exactly what functions they hold and how you might be able to possibly use them in your classroom.